All right. Okay, we are live. Okay, we are live here. And let's go ahead and go on the record on CB21-003. This is the May adoption. This hearing is being conducted via Zoom video conferencing software pursuant to Texas Supreme Court emergency orders and Office of Court Administration guidelines. It is also being live streamed to the court's YouTube channel pursuant to Office of Court Administration guidelines and in an effort to comply with the First Amendment and the Open Courts Doctrine. Looks like in this hearing we have the unofficial family, soon to be official family. We have Ms. Denise Hyde, the attorney for the adoptive placement. We have Ms. DeAndrea Petty, the attorney ad litem, and we have some representatives from CPS and from the adoptive placement agency. So Ms. Hyde, whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would ask if you could please take judicial notice of your file.
I will so take.
Thank you. And I'd like to call the adoption specialist from the department as my first witness.
All right, and that is Ms. Dingretto?
Yes, it is.
All right, ma'am, if you would please raise your right hand. And do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, and you can put your hand down. Go ahead, Ms. Hyde.
Thank you. And good afternoon. Your name, please.
Lori Dingrando.
And Ms. Dingrando, as I said, you are an adoption specialist at Child Protective Services?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you the specialist? And we're seeing two of them, but for three wonderful kids who are going to be adopted today.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, are they currently in the managing conservatorship of Child Protective Services?
Yes, they are.
But is it your hope that the judge is going to change that in a few minutes and grant the adoption that Ms. May is requesting of the court?
Yes, it is.
Now, you've given me a lot of documents to file with the court along with Angel Heart, but one of the documents you gave me was the very important affidavit consenting to the adoption signed by your supervisor. Can you please tell the judge why it's your belief that this adoption is in each of the children's best interest and why you're both recommending and requesting that it be granted today?
Yes. These children are very happy in this home. They get to be with their family here in this home. They're all together. They're with their grandmother. They're settled, doing very well in school, and just happy, and all their needs are met. Miss May has done everything we've asked her to do. So I fully support this adoption.
So it sounds like it's time to make it official because really it's already happening at this home.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I pass this witness, Your Honor.
Hi, Ms. Petty. Do you have any questions for this witness?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hyde, would you like to call your next witness?
Yes, Judge, I'd like to call, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Ms. Rivery from Angel Heart.
All right, ma'am, if you would please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you put your hand down. And go ahead, Ms. Hyde.
Thanks, Judge, and good afternoon to you. And if you could state your name, please.
Sarah Rivery, you said it right.
Good. And Ms. Rivery, you are with Angel Heart, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And of course, Angel Heart does a lot of different things all over the state, but the reason you're here today is you license great families, great homes for foster care and adoption with Child Protective Services.
Yes, ma'am.
And so, of course, that's what you all did with Ms. May, correct?
Correct.
And you have given me a lot of those documents, home studies and background checks and everything to file with the court. But also you gave me the very last court report that has to be written about the children. And I'd like to talk about that a little bit. It was a strong report recommending this adoption. Can you tell the judge why, please?
The children are very happy there. They're stable. They love being there. They're with family. Miss May is doing a wonderful job of taking care of them. You can just tell that they feel really secure and safe and happy.
Thank you very much. I pass this witness, Your Honor.
Ms. Petty, any questions for this witness?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hyde, any more witnesses?
I'll go briefly to Ms. May. So I know it's back there.
We can see you to the best of your ability. I'm not going to make you raise your hand. You're holding two kiddos. So, ma'am, do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth? All right, go ahead and ask questions, Ms. Hyde.
Thank you. And hello, Ms. May. And you're Sherry May, correct?
Yes.
And you are asking the judge, as we've heard from the other witnesses, to make your family official today, correct?
Yes, I am.
And you're asking the judge to grant this adoption and make sure that you now legally have all the rights and duties and responsibilities of a parent for these 3 grandchildren of yours.
Yes, I am.
Do you love them with all your heart?
Yes, I do.
That sounded like it. I could hear it in your voice. Are you promising the judge that if he grants this adoption, he can know that you will continue to love and care for these children and always do the best that you can for them?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there anything you would like to say to Ms. Petty or Ms. Ingrando or Ms. Rivery or for the judge, all who are here for your adoption today?
Well, everybody's been so wonderful through this whole thing. I just wanted to say thank you. Sorry. It's a little emotional.
Very much. So, but you're ready for this to happen, right?
Yes, we're excited.
Thank you. I pass this witness.
All right, Ms. Petty, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And from looking at your petition, Ms. Hyde, you want to keep the children's name the same?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I will go ahead then, having reviewed heard the testimony before me today, I will go ahead and grant the adoption. I will keep the kid's name the same. I'll order the records to be sealed. And as many certified copies as your client needs, Ms. Hyde, we will get those to you once I get the order signed.
Thank you.
All right.
And
Congratulations.
I forgot to say this at the beginning. I want to thank Stacy and you. It works so much better for my client to have the hearing later in the afternoon rather than in the morning or even earlier in the afternoon. And because of her work and children's schedule, and we really thank you for accommodating that. My client's very appreciative.
It's always great doing these. So.
Thank
All right. Thanks, y'all.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
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 Enjoy yourself, family.